subscribe to my auntie's channel. Please subscribe to my auntie's channel. Hey beautiful people, it's Moments with B here again. How are you guys doing? You're welcome to another video. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you've not subscribed yet, please kindly do so, because this video, it will be so interesting. Yes, I know you guys will love it. So my husband people had a little family gathering for those who are in Benin, for those of them who are in Benin. So we, the wives of the family, we were asked to come make something. I think that's the tradition, and we were available and around, so we came through as usual. So the purpose for this gathering is to get to know more people, because it's not everybody in my husband family that I actually know. Make I not go past person for road. So that's the main purpose for this reunion. Some of the wives, I don't even know them. So my husband's cousins and all of that. So this was actually the purpose, to get to know people and bond and all of that. And also, if you want to learn how to prepare party fried rice, this video is for you. As you can see, first of all, you need to wash the rice. Do not parboil the rice except to really have that much time, because why we parboil rice is because of the starch. So here is a huge amount of rice. So all we did was to wash the rice thoroughly. Look at the starch all over in this video. So you have to wash it like us. You wash up to 6 times to be able to use it for this fried rice. I'll just leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be right back. Go nowhere, guys. So I'm back, guys. So you guys already saw that I added the rice. So here we all know that before cooking fried rice, you have to use your meat stock or whatever, chicken, whatever you're using to make this food. You have to make it so okay that it will taste, so that your rice can taste the way you prefer. Okay, so you add your rice to the meat stock, and then you allow it for, make sure to use a good rice, because rice can just disappoint you, especially this public food. Our fingers were crossed, because this pot was beginning to disgrace us, but God passed them. So we added some mother, the green pea and all of that, and then the curry, everything, and we left it for a while. But the rice wasn't soft yet, so we had to add more water, and we were 247 monitoring this pot of fried rice, because you cannot shame the shameless. Not here, not in this public family food. It will drive us back to our parents. But it came out nice, so we kept on monitoring the rice and adding water when it was needed. So here the rice was all coming out so good, but the pot wanted to disgrace us, because it was now looking as if the rice was getting burnt. But the devil is a liar, and he will always be a liar. So the rice came out so well, and it was time to fry our kpokpo. So we have the carrots, the green beans, our onions, and scotch bonnet pepper, and other stuff, fried rice thingies, So here we were just heating up our oil. Look at how the oil is looking. So this is the oil we use to fry our carrots, our kpokpotikpo. Yeah, so we are just leaving it now for it to get heated. So I'll be back for more explanation. So we added onions first, as it should be, as it should. So we added onions first, and then the greens, and you know how it is. So while doing that, one of our wives, she was stirring. Actually, this is my sister-in-law. Yeah, from my husband's side, not the wife. So she's actually sibling to my husband. Yeah, cousin. So in this family, na so boys that they born, no, na so boys that they born. Even with the wives, we are giving birth to boys. It's in their genes. So back to our fried rice. So here's what it's looking like. I love how the oil looks, bringing out all the spices from the onions and other greens. So this actually looks so good. And then we went ahead to add our greens actually. So, and she kept on stirring. Let me just leave you guys for you guys to watch. Yo, so our rice is set, and we are about turning in our fries, to mix it up for it to turn fried rice. So we decided to use this rubber because this was actually the biggest thing we could get hold of. So we decided to use this. Look at how the rice is looking. Almost, this rice was delicious. Hey, when three or more women are gathered, especially when they are gathered to cook, no say if they happen, things they happen for them, because this food too makes sense. And soup, this rice too makes sense. It make brain. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
What am I videoing? I get me one spoon. Let me test this food.
So everything started. Look at the men, the women. I told you guys earlier that this family, they are just filled with boys and few girls. Family of boys. It is blessed, guys. So here was opening prayers. They were praying, for long life, for more gathering, for God's blessings upon this family, for the unity. So here was like opening prayer, and I was busy videoing. Content, content. So you guys, let me just leave you guys to enjoy. Something weird happened because I don't understand Ishan. I was just looking like, whoa, what are they saying? What are they saying? But thank God my girl got me, and she was interpreting for me. So let me leave you guys to enjoy because I can't tell you guys what they were discussing. But this particular place, they were introducing us, the wives, to them, for those of them that are not familiar with us. So they were doing proper introduction here. So I'll leave you guys now. Enjoy the rest of the video. See ya. There's something about them in this family. Whenever they are gathered this way, they eat in one pot. Eating in one pot means they prefer using, instead of plate, they use tray and spoons, to eat together in one tray. This is really, really so nice for me. I really love this part, honestly. I love it so very much, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. So go ahead, enjoy, and let you guys have more fun, and I'll be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this extent. If you have, thank you. Please do not forget to tap on the like button, subscribe, and share this video. And this is where we had our farewell hugs and all of that, you know, to see. I'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.